Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, the president of Elite Worldwide. Thanks so much for joining us. Today I'm actually at our Pro Service Conference here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm joined by Nick Sallas, one of our business development coaches, owns two rock and roll auto repair businesses, Sallas Automotive in the great state of Missouri. And Nick, earlier you were telling me that one of the tips that you picked up here at the conference, you're going to apply immediately in your business, and do you mind sharing it again with me and our audience as well?
Yes. The biggest thing I picked up was when you have a customer that, you may not have done something right or you made a mistake, just ask the customer what it'll take to make it right. A lot of times you'll find what we think what we need to do to fix it is incorrect. What they want may want to be just an apology, or let them make that call. So just ask them what you can do to make it right.
Boy, what a great recommendation. What a great recommendation. As always, Nick, great seeing you, and thanks for the great tip. Well, there you go. You just heard a really wonderful tip from a fellow that walks the walk. He knows what he's doing. Nick Sallas, thanks for joining us. Put it to use. You're going to be thrilled with the results.